Hey, micro map here. So I want to do a walkthrough on a trade on, let's take a look here. So most actives here, let me go to this. Got Tesla down 23. So we're getting a lot of pressure on Tesla. Let's take a look at Tesla here. Tesla. So it's basically at the low of the day. Let's pull up the chart here to just get kind of a reference. Let's take a look at the year and day chart. And so this is pretty much run up from 150 all the way to 300. We have a pretty big gap here on the way down. Let's zoom in here a little bit here better to take a look at it. Nice climb here, pull back. I would say by looking at this chart here, probably good support is in the 240 area. Um, so let's take a look at the options. Now the IV has gone down here. We want to confirm here IV rank at 6. And let's take a look over here at Tasty. Get different uh, IV ranks. We got 6 here as well. So let's do a trade here, formulate a trade here, and let's use the curve. And what I want to do here, we have low IV ranks, so this is not really a selling option. Uh, IV volatility premium. This either good for a calendar spread, call calendar spread, or broken wing butterfly. So I like to do things for a credit. If you do a call calendar, you're gonna do it for a debit. So I don't like to pay for trade. So we're gonna try a put call a put broken wing butterfly for a credit. So here you have your options to formulate your strategy. That's why I love options so much. And we're gonna go with long put butterfly go. So this assumption here, this trade is either you can make money three ways. The stock doesn't go down to your strikes, or the stock stays and consolidates, or the stock goes up. Actually, you can make money four ways. And the stock comes down and hits your strikes, and you pin it at your strikes on the put side. So what is a broken wing butterfly? This is a regular butterfly right here. You're not skipping. That's why it's a broken wing. If you were to move this this wing down one, this is a broken wing butterfly. You see, you can do it for $105 credit at this moment, but this is only a 53% probability of trade. So looking at that chart, we kind of looked at it, uh, um, quickly, and the support was more about the 240 level. I'm probably want to look at maybe the weeklies for next week, and let's move this down. I like to do butterflies a little bit shorter time frame and see if we could do this for a credit. So I can do this for a 10-cent credit, and it's a 92% probability of trade. So it's $10. If the stock were to land at 240 and pin at 240, I can make a maximum profit of $260. If Tesla blows through all this, which is a 92% probability it won't, you lose 240, and your max profit is 260 if it lands here. If it stays up here and doesn't do anything or consolidates up here, you keep your $10. But let's go for a little bit. Let's go for a little bit closer and see if we can get a nicer credit and a good probability of profit, like 75. So at 255, only $10 away, you have $40, and you got a probability of 75. Uh, 75. Max profit is 285 if you pin it at 255, and max loss is 209. And you got $212 buying reduction in this trade. You could do that if you want to collect a bigger credit. If you want to try 250, then you can do it for maybe $25, and you have a more round number. Markets like round numbers. I think I will probably try this one and try and do it for a little bit more of a credit. So let's go. I'm gonna try and do this one in my TD Ameritrade. We're gonna go over here. And we're gonna go to 250 right here, right click, and you're gonna buy butterfly. Then we're gonna skip. We're gonna go to this down here, this one here. We're gonna skip it to 245, and you see it's a credit. Let's try and get $10 more. I'm gonna try and milk it. We're gonna ship that out, and that one's working. So we'll see what happens during the day. And that's a broken wing butterfly in Tesla. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one. I might do one for Netflix. Bye bye.